Adding spring touches around your home isn't just about the looks. It's an instant mood booster, signaling a fresh start. Small changes like swapping sheets and duvet or pillow covers, light and airy fabrics, it's a small change that makes a big difference, both for your comfort and overall vibe. And of course, decluttering, better focus and less frustration. I have a little DIY hack for you guys. Add greenery. Real or faux can make your space feel alive and refreshed. I'm sharing how I'm slowly adding touches of spring throughout our home. This vase, I've had it for years. It's so old there's even a chip on the rim, but I love the gooseneck of this vase. It's perfect for adding those long stems like this. I got them from Michael's stores. They kind of went viral on TikTok and I just had to have them. I always like to use moss, especially when I'm using a clear vase. It's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. If you are into the minimal look, use moss. It adds to that calm and organic appearance, and it gives off a visual texture. Over in my vanity area, I plan on putting this peel and stick wallpaper that's from the Dollar Tree, you guys. The Dollar Tree, look how pretty. All the detail. You know, this is the place where I get dressed and put my makeup, my jewelry on right here in this area. And I wanted to give my little drawer a little update, but this paper is just everything. Here's my makeup drawer. I don't have a lot. I just use what I need. But it's pretty already. I just thought maybe, add a little color. So my plan is to cut some of this paper and put it into one of these containers. Put them in the containers to give it a little pop of color. And just try it. If it doesn't work, hey, it was only $1.25. When we first remodeled this bathroom and I got these containers for this drawer, one thing about this drawer, let me show you guys, it's very, very shallow. So there's not a lot of room to put like a really deep drawer, which I'm fine with. And I knew that, but the challenge was trying to find these organizers that will suit, in here. And look at the clearance, it's like barely making it. So I'm grateful for that. So what I wanted to do is, because I'm always changing, I thought to use like that construction paper that you get from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. They have so many choices, and I just happened to be in Dollar Tree. Came across this paper. So what I'm going to do is cut it and put it inside here. We'll see how it goes. For your FYI, it is from Main Street. Maybe you could find it on Amazon if you don't have it near your Dollar Tree, and it's peel and stick wallpaper. It's beautiful. They demonstrate where you can use it. You can use it as an accent wall in your office, bookcases, your bathroom, but I'm going to use a little piece of it in my drawer. The other thing about this paper is that you can use it as a drawer liner. If you have some clear acrylic bins, this color will shine through. It's just so beautiful. And I'm only using 2 sheets. You cannot tell me this was like perfect. This was made for this drawer. You guys should know by now, I'm not a stranger to having color in my home, and that's why I have a lot of white. It's the background for me to add a lot of color because I do love color. Over the years, I've used color in every space, especially my infamous pink office that you guys love. It is the most liked video that I've ever had, and it's all over Pinterest for having well over 1 million views of it. It turned out to be such a wonderful office space. I used to do a lot of Goodwill thrifting, and with the furniture that I would get, I would always do something to the inside of the drawer. I would either paint it with acrylic paint or a chalk paint or use the paper like I shared that we got from the Dollar Tree. It's just that little touch that does something to it for me, and you should try it too. Such a wonderful office. So ladies and gents, I challenge you to use color in places you wouldn't normally have, because it's not just about looks, it's about the leveling up of practical things that you use every day in your home. And it also helps you to spot products, especially small things like lipsticks and eyeliners. Plus, it will help you to create visual zones that will make it easier for you to find what you need. If you were on my Instagram, you may have seen a short video of me refreshing our master suite in partnership with Harbor House Living. But if you're looking to create a spa-like bedroom and relaxation is the primary motive that you're trying to achieve, you're in the right place. Starting off strong with freshness. It's no secret that I love using white sheets and bedding. It does not compete with other colors in the space. And in keeping with the luxurious feel, I love using luxury detergent. It isn't just about the label, it comes with some genuine perks, especially if you care about your clothes, your bedding, or your skin. It's the small changes that makes your space feel new and energizing. This is Harbor House Linen Blend Double Flange Duvet Cover Set. It's giving luxurious, understated elegance. The duvet and shams are framed by a double flange edge with refined embroidery. It's natural texture with a soft, skin-friendly touch. It's finished with genuine shell buttons engraved with Harbor House logo and inside corner ties to secure the insert. It's all in the details, reflecting a quiet expression of coastal craftsmanship. I was at Ross the other day and got this painting for $21.99. Now, I'm not a themey person, but look at this. I couldn't pass that up. Just beautiful. Having a sofa in our bedroom feels like a small luxury, but it actually comes with true relaxation to unwind that isn't your bed. We use it all the time for putting on our shoes, planning outfits, or laying out our clothes without wrinkling the bed. This table was truly a steal. I love the drum shape and of course the marble top. I got it for another room, but I love it here for now. HomeSense had it for $149 and I walked away to get someone to hold it for me, and just that quick, another person was looking at another one behind the sofa. Nevertheless, this table was on Wayfair for $419. I'm always restyling this table, but for now, I styled it with some long stems that I don't remember where I got them in these ginger jars. They are a set of 3, but I have 2 here for now. Tea time for yourself can be more powerful than it sounds. It's less about the drink and more about taking a pause. Hot milk tea isn't new to me. I was born and raised in New York, where if you see this iconic cup, if you know, you know. Yeah, it is very calming. A small ritual in such a fast city to take a pause and sip on high tea milk was the thing back in the day. Maybe even now. Grabbing a paper cup from a bodega on a cold morning, meeting up with a friend turns into a 2-hour life catch-up. Those were the days. I know it's early for spring decor, but it is cold here, even in Florida. I'm ready for it, you guys. But I'm also sharing so you could get some of these items, or if you want to get a head start on decorating for the spring. This will give you some inspiration to get a head start. I will have more videos for you for this entire month of February, so be sure to have your notification bell on so you don't miss out. And I want to thank you all for watching.